Welcome to Florida! I have the most amazing week ahead of me. Hopefully I'm going to be swimming with manatees in Crystal River before going on loads of adventures in Pasco County, and then I'm going to hop in the car, go on a road trip south to St. Petersburg where they've got some of those beautiful beaches in the world before finishing up in Tampa for a bit of a city trip. I have a feeling that this is going to be the ultimate trip to Florida.
That is not an alligator.
This is Wild Bill's Air Tours. We've got an airboat, we've got the water all around us. We're about to get on an airboat and go flying down the water in search of some alligators and wildlife. I have a feeling this is going to be a lot of fun. What a way to start the day this is. Behind me is the gorgeous Crystal River, and today, if we're lucky, we're going to be swimming with manatees. I think this is definitely one of the top things that you can do in Florida, so I really hope we get to see them. I'm currently at Tree Hoppers in Pasco County, which is an adventure high wire course. They've just done the green run, which is the beginner run, and it was pretty difficult, and I'm now about to attempt the double black, the hardest you can do here. I don't really know how this is going to go. Oh! Come in, falling! I want one of these. We're currently on a tour with Joe Dog Adventures and cruising around Port Richey in a little two-seater catamaran. This thing is so fun, it's amazing. It's such a unique way of getting around. Now this is what St. Pete's is famous for. It's one of the most brightly coloured cities in Florida with street art murals dotted all over the place. One of the best things that you can do here is just grab your camera, find a coloured wall and just take some photos. How amazing is this going to be? We've got a biplane, we're going to be flying over the beaches of St. Pete. This is going to be such a unique way to explore the area. This is such an amazing way to see Tampa. Currently on a Tampa water bike, cruising around. Got ourselves a little drink going, got myself a little rum punch. Oh, this is the life. Hi guys, woo! Mr. Dolphin, yes! Whoop, whoop. We just saw a couple of dolphins. This is the best water bike ride I've ever had in my life. This place is awesome. We're currently at the Hall on Franklin in Tampa, and it's basically a load of food vendors coming together in one space where you can order tartar, popcorn, ghost cheese flatbreads, Bloody Mary. I'm bloody happy. This is amazing. I can't wait to tuck in. What I love about Florida is you can go from the city to the beach to discovering manatees in the wild to so many other outdoor adventures all in one trip. Where else can you do that around the world?